In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion in conjunction with Payhip to set up and manage your digital products seamlessly. We're embarking on a journey to streamline your online business operations by integrating these two powerful tools. Whether you're selling templates, courses, or guides, this process will make your digital product management much simpler and more efficient. So, let's dive right in. First things first, ensure you're logged into your Notion account. If you're new to Notion, it offers versatile features great for organizing and managing content. Once you're logged in, it's time to prepare your template. This step is the backbone of what we'll be selling. Make sure your template is polished, professional, and ready for your customers. Templates can range from business planners to creative guides, so ensure it aligns well with your target audience. Now, once your template is ready, head over to the top menu bar in Notion and click on the Share option. Sharing your template is crucial as it allows you to publish your work later and make it accessible to your audience. While in the Share settings, locate the Highlight feature, as this will bring attention to the important sections of your template, making it more appealing and user-friendly for your customers. Next, it's time to publish your work. When you click Publish, this makes your template live and ready for public sharing. Double-check to make sure all your settings and permissions are correctly configured. With your template now published, go ahead and select the option Duplicate as Template. This ensures your customers get a copy they can customize without affecting your original work. Lastly, don't forget to copy the link to your published template. This link is what you'll provide customers so they can access and use your content. Switching gears, let's move on to Payhip. Open up the Payhip website, which will act as your store and product management hub. Click on Get Started for Free to begin setting up your account. If you haven't already, create a Payhip account. It's simple and only takes a few minutes. Once your account is ready, enter your store name. This is your brand's identity, so choose a name that clearly reflects your products. Now that your store is set up, click on Get Started Selling. This will guide you to the process of adding your first product. Choose Digital Product for your template and proceed to upload the product file. Don't forget to input a catchy and descriptive title for your product and set a fair price that offers value to your customers. Upload a product image that is both eye-catching and relevant. Visual appeal can make a significant difference in persuading customers. Adding a compelling description is next. Write something that accurately summarizes the benefits and features of your template. After your product info is complete, click on Set Up Checkout. Configure your account details, including choosing the payment app that best suits your needs. This ensures you receive payments smoothly and efficiently. And there you have it. You've just linked Notion with Payhip to create a seamless system for selling your digital products.